Can you give her kisses? Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Look at her. She wants to say hi. Be nice. Be nice. Can you give her kisses? Can you give her a kiss? This is her bottle. No, she's got to keep it. You got to feed her. Come here. Okay, give it to the baby. Hold it. Oh, that was her, huh? Yes, and you going to hold it? Yeah, hold the bottle. Good boy. Oh. No, that's Axe. Aki's. You're going to hold it for the baby. Hold it. Hold the bottle. Yeah. Give her a kiss. See? Oh. Hold it. Okay, should we burp her? He's going to try that. Oh, thank you. All done. Put it on the table. Ox. Yeah. That's gross, huh? Gross. Try it. Gross.
Oh, Ace, that's gross.
Can you get the baby a kiss? Okay,
Here,
all
you
done.
try.
All done. Can you give her kisses? Give her a kiss. Give her kisses. Oh, headbutt.
Be nice.
Be nice. Oh, yeah, no more. That's kind of a hard one. Can you give her kisses? Like that. Give her a kiss.